Hi, I am Dr. Chava Anjaneyulu, Senior Consultant ENT Surgeon. I am working with the Asian ENT Care Center located in Panjagutta, Hyderabad. Asian ENT Care Center is equipped with all advanced technologies for diagnosis and treatment of ear, nose, throat problems, hearing problem, tinnitus problem and voice problem. Nowadays, small children are suffering with cold very frequently and they are having problem every month. They are using medicines. During medical treatment, the problem is coming down. Immediately after stopping medicines, within days or weeks, again they are having problem. This is mainly due to the adenoid hypertrophy. Adenoid hypertrophy is nowadays very common. Adenoid is situated behind the nose in nasopharyngeal region. Nowadays it is enlarging because of the more allergy exposure, less physical activity, more dust in the home. Nowadays because of lack of ventilation and more urbanization with industrialization and more pollutions, now this adenoid hypertrophy is more. Viral infection rate is also less. Nowadays in schools also in less place more children are sitting. That's why this viral infections will transmit one to one very fast and that will cause adenoid hypertrophy. With adenoid hypertrophy we have problems of nasal obstruction, nasal discharge, mouth breathing, snoring, sleep disturbance and due to breathing problem their growth also will get affected. It is very easy to diagnose adenoid hypertrophy. We can diagnose adenoid hypertrophy either with nasal endoscopy examination or X-ray of the nasopharynx. Nasal endoscopy examination is more accurate and it will confirm your adenoid hypertrophy and the size of the adenoid hypertrophy. Is it filling the choana and blocking the nose completely also? X-ray will show the bulge in the nasopharynx region. If the children is having recurrent cold, mouth breathing, snoring, not responding to the medical treatment, better to remove the adenoids. Nowadays with the coabulator technology we are removing the adenoids very nicely with good results without any bleeding and healing is also fast. So there is no need to worry at all regarding adenoid surgery. No apprehension, usually no complications. If your child is having a problem with adenoid hypertrophy, contact Asian ENT Care Center located in Panjagutta, Hyderabad. For further updates, subscribe Socialpost Health channel YouTube.